Hello, this is Narda Safety Test Solutions in Germany. Today we would like to explain what are the advantages of selective measurements compared to wideband measurements. Wideband measuring devices like the Narda NBM are very easy to use and are often adequate to monitor that limit values are not exceeded, as long as the values are well below the limit. However, when the values approach the limit or even exceed it, perhaps in the vicinity of a radio transmitter, then selective devices such as the Narda SRM are the first choice. So in detail, the NBM are very simple to use. They have a limited number of push buttons. They are very light, very handy, so if you want to climb up into a tower, you will feel every gram. They have a huge bandwidth inside of a single probe, so for example, the standard probe from 100 kHz to 6 GHz covers all major broadcasters and mobile radio services. And the price compared to a selective meter is lower. The minus is there is no information regarding the frequency or service provided by the NBM. So it cannot tell you, is it FM, is it TV, who is exceeding the limit value? It can only tell you the total amount. The SRM can perform both wideband and selective measurements, and only it can analyze which service has caused the limit to be exceeded. Selective measurements can replace wideband measurement, but the reverse is not true. Since it is hardly possible to forecast whether a critical situation will occur at a given location, the SRM is essential. The NBM can reduce time and effort, but the SRM should always be in your kit to save a second journey to a location. So by an SRM, as mentioned already, you can do broadband and selective measurement. You get all information regarding the frequencies. It can even do decoding and extrapolation of mobile services like UMTS and LTE. It can easily change between absolute values and percent of standard, and it also can tell you who is exceeding the limit value. Is it FM? Is it TV? Is it mobile radio? But finally, a little minus is you need a little bit more knowledge and practice is necessary to operate an SRM. Here we have the two results of a measurement. So on the left-hand side, given by the NBM broadband meter, it tells you it's 54.9 volts per meter. On the right-hand side, the same result provided by the SRM. It tells you also the total amount is 54.9 volts per meter. But here you can also see who is the problem. It's a TV station. We are standing very close to a TV station and you can see the highest amount comes from TV. Mobile radio and FM radio are not as big. So here you can only say, I have a problem. On the right-hand side you can say, who causes the problem.